Guys, nasa kabilang room si Dan. Dito sa kabilang room. Tapos nandito naman ako. Antay ko lang si Doc para i-check yung aking ngipin. So guys, ipakita ko sa inyo yung talagang ano ng ipin ko. Itong ipin kong sa harapan, totoo talaga to. Ayan. But I already missing 5 teeth. So I do have 5 fake teeth. I do have 3 on the top and also 2 fake teeth on the bottom. Oh, my camera is heavy. So that's why I'm wearing every day the dentures. So I do have 5 fake teeth that I'm using every day to help me chew, because it's hard to chew if you don't have those teeth inside that it helps to chew food, guys. So that's why I decided to have those dentures to help me chew food, and it's easier for me to eat food because what do you call that, every time I eat I stop my gums because I do not have teeth inside. So that's why I'm having dentures, 5 fake teeth, and this is all natural. This is my natural teeth, and this side I have missing 1 teeth. That's why I have those dentures teeth, guys. Ayan, yes, I do not have teeth here, but if you can see me all the time in my vlog that I like most like perfect on this side, I'm wearing my dentures, guys. So it's having a dentures, it's expensive, but it helped for me a lot to chew food. So yeah, we're gonna go me and Dan, we're gonna go to the dentist appointment today, guys. Hopefully, here we go again, hopefully I'm gonna vlog a little bit clips inside the clinic. We'll see. And yeah, see you later, guys. Just gonna create a very simple makeup just to make my face like awake. So I'm gonna do first the primer. This primer is so good. They call it a cover fix primer. I love this primer. And this is how it look like brown. I'm just gonna put it on to my face. What time is our appointment, honey? Do I? An hour. So I still have a little bit time to play with. And we're done with the primer. Let's move on to foundation. So my favorite foundation, guys, that I always use like every day, this Anastasia stick foundation, and this is how it look like, guys. Woo! So maglagay na tayo ng foundation, guys. Ayan. What is it?
Bad programming.
Gustong-gusto kong foundation na ito, guys, kasi ang ganda-ganda ng foundation na to. Kahit sobrang kapal na yung lagay mo, sobrang ganda yung coverage niya. So, let's blend it, guys! And then let's move on to the other side of the let's move on to my left side. Ganda-ganda talaga ng foundation na to, guys. Blend natin yung forehead natin. Ayan guys, nabuhay yung mukha ko. Pagkatapos, ang laki talaga ng pinagbago pag naglagay ka ng foundation. Ayan guys, foundation. Tapos na tayo ng foundation. So guys, tapos na akong magkilay. And maglalagay tayo ng mascara. Mabuhay lang yung mata ko. This is the problem of my camera.
There's no problem.
So ito na guys yung makeup natin ngayon. Sobrang light lang. Ang ganda talaga ng blush na yun. Yung cheek and paint. Ang ganda talaga ng blush na yun. Nakalimutan ko anong pangalan nun. Pero ito na yung makeup natin na prepare natin papunta sa dentist. And merong package guys na dumating kanina. Bumili si Dan online ng parang fan, window fan. Hi!
How are you?
Good.
What you do?
Nahiya ako kanina sa labas. Nakaupo ako guys sa labas. Nagkukwento ako sa inyo. Kausap ko yung camera. Tapos may biglang lumabas na kapitbahay. Nahiya ako kaya pumasok ako sa loob. Pero it is 1 o'clock already. 1:10. So yung appointment namin ngayon guys is 1:30. So yun. Nahiya ako guys sa labas. May tao kasi yung neighbors. So, dumating, may in-order si Dan sa Amazon na window fan. Kasi malamig na nga ngayon. Tapos na yung summer, fall season na. Kaya, tatanggalin namin yung nahiya ako. Tatanggalin namin yung AC sa window. Papalitan namin ng window fan kasi fall na, malamig na. So, ayun guys, inaantay ko lang si Dan and then papunta na kami sa dentist. So, ayun na guys yung window fan. Dan bought 2 window fan and we're gonna put it later, maybe. So, ayan na guys. Naglagay lang ako ng basta mabuhay lang yung mukha ko. So, tapos na tayo ng makeup and we're about to leave soon and I'll see you later guys. Alright guys, we're heading to the dentist now and I still not get used to it to use my phone and there's Dan, and me. And it's nice weather today. Do you think what's the weather today, honey? Like 50?
I just told you. Don't you remember?
Wasn't pay attention though. Oh, it's
Yeah.
windy.
That sounds like you. I said it's 78. High of 81 today.
Okay,
Does
so
it feel like 50 to you?
50 is too cold for me.
Yeah, you
So-
need a jacket at 65.
Yeah. So today is 78. And yeah, that's cute. And see you later guys. We'll see if I can vlog a little bit clips inside the clinic. Here we go again. I'm not sure but we'll see. See you later guys.
Now get it delivered.
So guys, nandito na kami. Waiting to call our name and yeah, see you later guys.
To catch every past episode, just say, "This is us," into your Xfinity
This is
voice
what it looks like.
Right, the one where I
or
Yeah.
on the show when he was a
Guys, nasa kabilang room si Dan. Dito sa kabilang room. Tapos nandito naman ako. Antay ko lang si Doc para i-check yung aking ngipin. Where's Dan? Look at the camera.
No.
Why not? We're done guys with our appointment and we're just waiting to the front desk.
Would you both like to come in on the same day?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what I can find here.
Let's see.
I'll try to keep your dentist busy for a little bit.
I know. She has tomorrow at 1
Me?
for both of you. If you'd like.
Thank you. Anything that matters?
Yeah.
You want to do tomorrow? One right after another, starting at 1 o'clock. Is that good?
Sure.
Okay.
I was expecting a while.
Oh no, she hasn't. Looks like somebody canceled here. That's why. But yeah, one right after another tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
Yay!
Yay! We'll see you 2 days in a row.
This money truck won 150 grand.
And okay, 1 o'clock. Do you need a card?
No.
No, 1 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good day.
You
And
too.
Tomorrow, you get paid tomorrow, not today.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
Me too. It was a little bit shaky, guys. I don't have tripod on. Oh, it's too bright and it's nice outside also.
Too bright for me.
Yeah, so we're done, guys, with the dental appointment, and we're gonna go back tomorrow for my what do you call that, honey? Is that for my
I forgot what he called it.
I forgot.
Plasty.
Yeah, I forgot to call it, but I am excited for that, guys, because we're gonna file my teeth, my front teeth, make it like straight. So yes, I'm so excited for that.
Oh,
Yay!
straighter.
I mean,
Then you'll have to do Invisalign to actually straighten your teeth. Which even then they're not straight. They're curved, but they're consistently curved.
yeah, I'm excited with that. So my teeth's gonna be pretty. Yay! I love that. So I'm gonna take care from now on my teeth because that's my goal, to keep my teeth pretty. Yeah. And see you tomorrow again, guys, for another dental appointment.